Is your Nintendo Switch running slow, acting glitchy, or are you thinking of selling or giving it away? A factory reset can refresh your console and make it feel like new again. Keep in mind, this will erase everything and restore the system to its original state, so be sure to back up any important data first. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to safely reset your Switch. Let's get started. Step 1. Backup save data. If you have Nintendo Switch Online, go to System Settings, scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, select Save Data Cloud, and follow the rest of the process to select the games you want to back up and upload the data. This way you won't lose your progress after the reset. Step 2. Begin the factory reset. From the home screen, go back to System Settings, scroll all the way down to System, then on the right side, scroll to the very bottom, and select Formatting Options. After that, tap on Initialize Console. Read the warning carefully. It will delete all data in Settings. Once done, you can confirm by tapping Next, and then Initialize. I'll skip this part since I don't want to reset my Switch, but you can easily reset your device this way. For you, the console will restart and begin the reset process. It may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your Switch will reboot to the setup screen, just like when it was brand new out of the box. Alright everyone, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Nintendo tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.